This is a setback that comes in for Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar, as the Karnataka High Court has dismissed Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar's plea to quash the CBI's disproportionate assets case against him. This is the particular breaking news that we are getting, and we have Harish Upadhyay joining us on this broadcast to bring us more details with regards to this story. And Harish, a very good morning to you. If you could just take us through the particular order that's come in from the court of quashing the plea that was sent in by DK Shivakumar, Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister.
Setback for Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. The Karnataka High Court has dismissed his plea, which had sought to quash the CBI case against him in a disproportionate assets case. And now the Karnataka High Court has asked the CBI to conclude the investigation and file the final report within 3 months. Remember, this case is also, the CBI had gone on an appeal to the Supreme Court as well. And now some relief for the CBI to go ahead with the investigation, and a setback for DK Shivakumar in this particular case, the disproportionate assets case. Let's remember, there were multiple raids that happened on DK Shivakumar as well, at multiple premises belonging to him, and the CBI had in fact said that they had found enough evidence to suggest that assets that were recovered did not have a legitimate source of income, or was more than what his calculated source of income was, and had registered this disproportionate asset case.
Right, Harish. Also, as we are learning, there are orders that have come in from the High Court itself to the agency to complete the investigation and file a final report within 3 months with regards to this case. What does this exactly mean for the Deputy Chief Minister, DK Shivakumar?
Well, what it means is the CBI now can set the ball rolling in terms of going with the charges that they've already leveled against DK Shivakumar, file the charge sheet as well, and talk about the kind of evidences that they have found. Statements have been recorded of DK Shivakumar and various others who've had financial transactions with DK Shivakumar, and now the final report can be filed by the CBI and then go ahead with the trial. So that process will start now. Has to be seen if DK Shivakumar will once again approach courts seeking a relief, either interim stay or a quashing of this particular order. That's something that's available as a legal option for DK Shivakumar. But right now, at least for the CBI, roads have been cleared to go ahead with the filing of the charge sheet and the final report.
Right, Harish. Harish, also, have we gotten any reaction from the Congress's, the government, Karnataka government, over this particular decision that has been sent out by the High Court?
Well, this has come just a few minutes back. The Karnataka government hasn't responded yet. But let's remember, every time the Congress party has been asked about several cases against DK Shivakumar, including the income tax raids and the CBI cases against DK Shivakumar, and remember, he was also jailed in one of the cases. He spent a good amount of time at Tihar jail as well. The Congress party defended that, one, it was vendetta politics being practiced by the central government. That's why all the central agencies were targeting DK Shivakumar. Second, they said these cases are still under investigation or in courts, and only the courts can decide whether DK Shivakumar was guilty or not. Till such time, the party would believe that he is somebody who's been honest, and they would back him. That's been the stance of the Congress party. Unlikely to change now, considering that there's a long way to go before we see final orders by the court in these disproportionate asset cases, and also other cases pursued by central agencies like the Income Tax Department.
Right, Harish. Harish, thank you for bringing us all those details. And